mouse in my house, y'all. I'm finna get some traps, and I'm going to my mama's house for the night. I'm not dealing with that. Oh man. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Janae. If you're new here, I am a child of God. I'm a mom. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'm an entrepreneur, and I am happy to be alive. So I just got back from the store, and I got some household essentials, and I'm about to put everything up and then start laundry for the day before I go pick up my kids. They with their daddy. Yeah, I need to put that curtain back up. But yeah, I had got some pull-ups for my daughter. I got some Fabuloso. Let me see. I got some Fabuloso. What's been there? These chips. I got some Dove because we need some more soap. I haven't tried this. This will be my first time trying these, but I noticed I haven't been buying any dry sheets or whatever for my clothes, and I just wanted them to smell extra good. There is her some pull-ups. Also, my mama told me about this. I usually use Arm & Hammer, which I got some of this too, but we're gonna see what this like. And I poured some in here because I had an old container that I no longer use. So I poured some in here. So she said it don't take much. So we're gonna see what this is like. Y'all, it's a mouse in my house, y'all. I'm finna get some traps, and I'm going to my mama's house for the night. I'm not dealing with that. Oh man, yeah, that's what we finna do. Cause they done made me mad. They done made me mad. This one or this one? I'm on my way to pick up the kids. I did finally take my hair down though, so this is my hair in layers. All right, y'all, we made it back to my mama's house. This is where we staying tonight, cause that mouse, it just messed up my whole day, ain't gonna lie. So we staying here tonight. I did go set some traps, but I just wanted to close out the video because, yeah. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. What a vlog. Bye, y'all.